Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the second part of my trip across Europe with my brother.
So this is us near the Eiffel Tower in Paris. We took some pictures there. This is us like near the river. I'm not sure how it's called. This is near the Louvre, I think, where the Mona Lisa is. No, there's a tiny part. So this is Domino's.
And now this is our parents driving us in the car while we are sleeping.
And this is the Victoria Hotel in a small town, Erding, in Germany, near Munich. We always love to go there because of the water slides and pools, and the hotel rooms are great. They're near the pool, so you can see the biggest pool in the water park, the hotel. And this is us at the water park part where all the slides are.
And we're about to go on like a white slide, and like it slides you all the way around and back down, but the only problem I have with it is that it has steep turns, and then I sometimes hit off the edges.
Yeah, because you go very fast and then it just turns around and you hit yourself from the side of the slide.
And sometimes it's kind of like really dark, like right now. I mean, there's actually not much water on the slide, it's just that our camera filmed water.
So you couldn't see us, but we picked it up a bit later. This is like almost the end of the slide.
And there's a big pool there because, well, otherwise you just fall on the floor.
Like going back to the stairs that lead you to all of the water slides. Usually it gets pretty cold down there because they don't have any like heating down there.
Air conditioning. And now we're gonna go on the same exact slide.
No, this is the different side that just goes down.
And now we're back on the same slide.
So this is like the water slide. There's supposed to be a VR headsets on it, but for some reason it doesn't work here. And it has like these almost like escalators, you could say, on it that push you up or down with water. And it goes really fast and it turns around many times.
Yeah, I kind of got stuck in that thing, so it was pretty hard to get out. And this is like the biggest pool in the hotel, and now we're gonna go down the biggest slide.
It goes from the top to bottom. No, there's 7 floors. It's probably like 30, maybe 35 meters high. But it gets really dark, but there are some sections that have like this light, so you actually can see something.
Yeah, here looks like it's about to be the end, but no, that's just light.
And these, there are also like little windows, I guess you could say, and you could see from the outside.
I mean, you can't really see because either you just can't see what's through them, or they're under the water. Of course, like every single slide, there's a pool at the end. So this is us going into the biggest pool in the hotel. And it has like waves on it. So yeah, it goes like up and down.
Yeah, they somehow like control and like make like artificial waves.
This is our dad.
Okay, so like us for our family going down this white slide, and we went down on the start.
I kinda got like a scar off of that because I went way too fast and hit myself into a corner.
This is us going into another pool, but this one has like heating sort of, so it's like a lot warmer than the rest of the pools in this like hotel.
And it has like, you see this like cave section. It's not really a cave, they just made it look like one.
And there's, okay, this is us eating pizza, but at that pool we were just at, there's also like a section you can go out to the outside water park, but it was too cold then. This is us going to like a trampoline park, but they wouldn't let us bring in the cameras.
Their mom kind of just filmed a bit from outside, but not that much.
Well, this is one of the trampolines.
And you're actually normally not allowed to do that.
This is like a trampoline, but there's a screen up front with a camera on it, and there's like games, and it sees how you jump, and like you can interact with stuff on the screen.
Yeah, there's also like a multiplayer games, not just single player games. Like one of them is called Jump Ball.
Where you like play football, but you have to like jump. And also, I think there was like a Xbox Connect like camera in that thing.
This is us driving to our hotel in Vienna.
It was a pretty big hotel. It had I think I'm not sure how many levels. I think there was more than 20 at least.
Pretty sure there's 21. And there's this fitness part which we're about to go to. It has treadmills, bicycles, and weights. And these things that are similar to treadmills but not quite treadmills. And I decided to do something crazy.
This is us the next day at the same hotel, taking breakfast.
And this is us going to Cologne in Germany. And this is the biggest fitness expo there, FIBO. We really had fun there, and we tried all sorts of fitness machines.
And this was Noah trying this fitness machine, but on one leg. And there was many people at this fitness expo. There was a big techno gym thing, and Noah tried out when he tried lifting it. He was surprised by how light it was that he accidentally went to the max it could go up.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week, and I will show you the last parts of our European trip in Amsterdam. Bye.